Hello everyone. In this session I am going to discuss about the third week of development. So third week of development we are going to study under two headings. What are the changes in the trophoblast? What are the changes in the embryoblast? Let's see what are the changes in the embryoblast. Before going to third week, let's summarize what changes will be take place in the trophoblast during second week. Here, the second week, what happened? The trophoblast is differentiated into cytotrophoblast and syncytiotrophoblast. So this trophoblast is differentiated into two layers, that is cytotrophoblast and syncytiotrophoblast. This cytotrophoblast, what happened during second week? This cytotrophoblast is undergo proliferation and passes through the syncytium trophoblast. Once it passes the syncytium trophoblast, it involves the formation of primary villi. So when you take the cut section of primary villi here, the center it consists of cytotrophoblast and it is surrounded by syncytiotrophoblast. So this is the primary villi. So in second week there is a formation of primary villi. In third week what happened? There is a formation of secondary villi and tertiary villi. So this secondary villi, how it is formed? You can see the inner aspect of the cytotrophoblast, there is a presence of extra embryonic mesoderm. Extra embryonic mesoderm. This extra embryonic mesoderm, what happened? We start invading the cytotrophoblast. As a result, what happened? Secondary villi is formed. So you can see this diagram. So in the center it is occupied by extra embryonic mesoderm and then it is surrounded by cytotrophoblast and in turn it is surrounded by syncytiotrophoblast. Once the blood vessel is appeared in the extra embryonic mesoderm, they are called as tertiary villi. So once the blood vessel is appeared in the extra embryonic mesoderm, now this villi is called as tertiary villi. So this is the cytotrophoblast and this is the syncytiotrophoblast. And there will be appearance of blood vessels. Once there is an appearance of blood vessels, this villi is called as tertiary villi. So in the third week of development, there is a formation of secondary villi and tertiary villi. Once the tertiary villi is not formed, or we can say once if there is no blood vessels is not formed in the extra embryonic mesoderm, automatically this embryo will be died. So what happened? This trophoblast is undergo proliferation and give rise to one important swelling, the cystic swelling. It is called as hydatidiform mole. This is one of the clinical condition. Understand? Now let's see what are the changes in the embryoblast.